Hi guys, it is Chantal Gillespie here. Welcome back to my channel. It's about 8 p.m. Right now, so I'm getting ready to go to bed in a bit. Have to wake up early in the morning, but I wanted to hop on here and do this unboxing because I'm very excited. So in my hand I have my old phone, which is so weird. This is my 6S. I've had this phone now for over a year now, about a year and a half. It's been a good phone. We've had a good run. I really enjoyed having the headphone jack, and yeah, I mean, what can I say? iPhone 6S is one of the best phones that Apple has made, in my opinion. Of course, this is only my second Apple phone that I've owned, and I had to get the space gray one because that was the only one that they had left with my old company. That's another thing. I also switched phone companies, so everything is new going into 2020 as far as my phone is concerned. So let's get on to the new phone, shall we? So it arrived about 2 days ago. Originally this was supposed to be my Christmas gift. Yes, I already knew what was coming. It was the only thing I wanted for Christmas this year. Wanted/needed. So you know, my husband was very kind enough and so sweet to purchase this for me. So we got this phone refurbished. It's not exactly bought from the store, of course. Trying not to show you the address on here. So you won't see an Apple box. See, it's just already placed in there. I'm so excited, guys. Charging port, right? Lightning port. One thing I will say about the 6S though that I'm not gonna miss is the battery life. Absolutely horrible. I mean, it was great in the beginning, but I couldn't take my 6S off the charger without it just completely dropping. I would be at 100% and within, I would say within the hour it would already be at 50. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is my first, my first plus size phone. Before the 6S, I had the 5S, but yeah, the little Uno card. So gradually, I've been getting much bigger. And I'm actually gonna take this out of the case so we could do a side-by-side comparison. Oh. Yes, and also this has the maximum of 256 gigabytes. So I'm gonna have a lot of storage, which is great because I need a lot of storage for, you know, my YouTube videos, and then I just download a lot of apps that I love to take pictures. Here it is. Look, you can see the camera. Oh my gosh, how crazy. Look at the back. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, let's do a side-by-side comparison here. Hold on, give me 1 second and take the case off this 6S. I keep wanting to call it the S6. I don't know why. I have S6. Is this Samsung? No, why am I trying to flip-flop it? I have no clue, guys. Just this is actually kind of a tough case. I bought this off of Amazon. Let me tell you, it's durable, okay? Let me tell you. It's not an OtterBox, but this thing, my phone ain't breaking with this thing on. And it was less than $10, so here's a, ooh, so you know, that's what it looks like. There's not much to go off of, but you know, if you want to get it off of Amazon, there you go. This video is not sponsored by Amazon at all, but I'm just showing you. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Look how, I'm like holding this very awkwardly now because I'm not. It's so weird having this phone out of the case. Like now it feels so tiny with it out of the case. And then here's the back. Like, how do you hold it? It's so like, you know, I'm totally not used to it. I'm like, how do you hold it? A plus. Okay, so I totally forgot to do the cut on stuff. So I'm gonna cut this on. I don't even know if it's like charged or not. I'm like getting excited over hello, hola, bonjour, konnichiwa, ni hao, is it ni hao? Maybe I have to put the SIM card in first. I did not think about doing that. Oh, press home button to, had to press the home button. United States, quick start. Okay, I'm gonna put this SIM card in. So it's like at full charge now basically. So I'm gonna cut this off, put the SIM card in, and then we're gonna go from there, okay? Bye! Okay, I'm back. So SIM card is in the new phone. And you know what, guys? I had this phone near here and I was so shook because it said, hold your new iPhone up to the camera. And then this says, waiting for other iPhone. That just tells you I have no clue what is going on. Oh, did it do it? Oh yeah, yes it did. Okay, so now I'm typing in the passcode from the old phone and you can't see that. What does it say? Setting up your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay, that's fine. I'm patient. Kind of. And because I was supposed to get this on Christmas and it's not even Thanksgiving yet. It's a few days leading up to Thanksgiving. But a girl needed a new phone, okay? Touch ID. Should we set that up now or later? I'll set it up later. Because I have Touch ID on this one and I really like it. So I do enjoy my Touch ID, but I'll just do it later. Set ID later. Okay, I'll use it. It's like, are you sure? You know what? I'll just do it then. So I'm gonna do it with my left one. So lift and rest, lift and rest. Okay. I just gotta read the instructions. Transfer data. Let's see, you can transfer directly to this iPhone, or you can use iCloud, which will take 15 minutes. In about 15 minutes, well, both will take about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know which is best, to download from iCloud or from iPhone. I mean, I guess iPhone, since I have it right here. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna agree. Continue. Continue. Oh, yes. Now I was talking about my Apple Watch. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Alrighty, Siri's all set up. Do I want to share my analytics with some app developers? Improve the apps. Sure, I'll do that to help them out because I'm nice. So I have to install the new iOS. Okay, so I'm doing that. Update requested. I'm so new to this unboxing thing. I don't know what's going on. But right now my software is updating. Got about 7 minutes. My battery is about to die. It is flashing. It's like, girl, plug me in. What is you doing? Why is you still filming? But you know what? Show must go on. Anyway, that was pretty much it. That was the unboxing. I just wanted to show you what it would look like if you got a refurbished one as opposed to the iPhone case, the iPhone box. So I'm excited for my case to come. I ordered that already, so it's in the mail somewhere. Yeah, and you'll probably see a whole lot of pictures a whole lot more pictures on my Insta and other socials. Like, I'm just so excited to make thumbnails with this, and yeah, and download all my apps. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my little sporadic last minute video, as always, because you know me, always last minute, never prepared for any video. But I will see you guys later, and subscribe. Bye.